All right, for all this to function, so first in my account page, I had to add from what was already there. I had to add these three text forms so I could enter stuff. So then for those to work, you had to go here and you had to add your standard validation and save. So in this update account, so what it does is it checks for validation and then saves if it finally validates. Right here, it just, so if it's null, what you entered is, like it's not there, which should never happen. It would create it. If not, it updates it. So then we can go to this where this update account is. It's in my Firebase.dart. So it is right here. So it stores the stuff you update, and then this statement right here, what it does is it's what controls sending the email to the account you registered. So in my case, my student email, and it just takes the email of that user that's logged in at the time, and that's it.